In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sensitive content on Telegram by disabling filtering. If you've noticed Telegram occasionally hiding photos, videos, or posts it flags as sensitive, this walkthrough will help you take control of what you see. Only proceed if you're comfortable with this kind of content and always follow your local laws and platform guidelines. Start by opening the Telegram app on your phone or on your desktop. Either one works, so go with whatever you have in front of you. The goal is to reach the same setting from the appropriate place on your device. Next, head into your settings. On mobile, tap the three-line menu or your profile icon to find the settings option. On desktop, click the three-line menu in the upper left and choose settings there. Settings is where Telegram keeps all of your account, privacy, and content controls in one place. Inside settings, open the privacy and security section. This is where Telegram groups options that control who can reach you, how your data is handled, and how the app treats content that might be sensitive. Scroll down until you see the section called sensitive content. You're looking for the control that governs whether Telegram filters or shows media that may be flagged. Enable the option called disable filtering. Turning this on tells Telegram not to hide media that would otherwise be filtered. After you make this change, you should start seeing items that may have previously been blocked, especially in public channels and groups that allow such material. Remember, channel rules still apply, and content availability depends on what the channel or group shares. If you don't see the sensitive content option on your phone, don't worry. In some regions, this setting is hidden in the mobile app but is available on Telegram desktop. In that case, switch to Telegram desktop, go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, and look for the same disable filtering toggle there. When you turn it on from desktop, the preference is tied to your account, which helps keep your experience consistent across devices where Telegram supports it. To make sure the new setting applies immediately, restart Telegram, fully close the app and open it again. On mobile, that means removing it from your recent apps and relaunching. On desktop, quit the app and reopen it. This quick refresh ensures the change takes effect right away. And that's it. You've chosen how Telegram handles sensitive content. If you ever change your mind, simply revisit the same place and turn the option off. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tutorials.